Today is Chinese Lantern Festival. The tradition for the Lantern Festival, other than watch the lantern decorations, is to have tangyuan, sweet dumplings, with family. The round shape of the sweet dumplings symbolizes the completeness and unity of the family and carries people's best wishes for a happy and sweet new year. So today, let's make some simple and tasty sweet dumplings to celebrate the Lantern Festival. Here are the ingredients, which are used for either the filling or the skin. We're making two of the most popular flavors of tangyuan. One is sesame flavored and the other is red bean flavored. First step is to make the filling. Microwave the butter to let it melt. You can also sub it with other solid oils such as lard or coconut oil. Mix the sesame powder, sugar, and melted butter. I am using the store-bought sesame powder. You can also make the powder by grinding the roasted sesame or any other nuts of your choice. The consistency of the mixture now would eventually be the consistency of the filling in a boiled sweet dumpling. So it should be smooth and slightly liquid so that it can come out to be this lava-like filling after being cooked, silky and gooey. Same with the red bean filling. Mix the red bean paste with some melted butter until it's smooth and runny. Let the mixture sit in the fridge for about half an hour to harden. After it's solid, scoop out some fillings. Roll it into little balls and put it back to the fridge. While the filling is being chilled, we can move on to step 2, make the sweet dumpling skin. Mix the glutinous rice flour with the water. If you watched my previous sugar oil rice cake video, then you'll know that despite its name, glutinous rice flour is actually gluten-free. So the dough is absolutely foolproof. No kneading or resting of the dough is needed. Simply mix the flour well with the water and roll it into a dough. If you feel creative, we can also add some coloring into the dough. For example, we can blend in some matcha powder to make the dough green and matcha flavored. We can even take it to the next level by giving the dough a marble effect. Just stretch both colored dough into a strip, put them side by side, pinch them together, then break it in half. Place them next to each other, pinch them together again, and repeat the process for about 3 to 4 times. Then the dough will get some pretty marble patterns. Now we've got our dough and fillings ready, it's time to wrap the sweet dumplings. Here are 2 ways to wrap a sweet dumpling. Take some dough, roll it into a ball, press down in the middle to create a small bowl shape. Put the filling in the middle, then use one hand to hold the filling in place, the other roll the dough upwards to enclose the filling. Roll it into a ball. Or you can flatten the dough into a round flat pancake shape. Then add the filling in the middle, fold the dough to completely enclose the filling. Pinch the ends together to seal and roll it into a ball shape. Dust them with some glutinous rice flour, and our sweet dumplings are good to go. You can either store them independently and freeze them for later, or move on to the last step, boil the sweet dumplings. In a pot, boil some water, then add in the sweet dumplings. Periodically stir to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. When they start to expand in size and float, our tangyuan is cooked. Scoop them into a bowl. Add some soup. Top with dried osmanthus flowers. And enjoy! Every sweet dumpling is round and plump, stuffed with lots of sweet and delightful fillings. The glutinous rice dough is soft, stretchy, and chewy. Sesame fillings are nutty and aromatic, while the red bean fillings are sweet and smooth, perfectly balanced out by the hint of green tea flavor in the dough. Hope you enjoy this easy and delicious tangyuan recipe, and stay tuned for more simple and delicious Chinese food recipes. Happy Lantern Festival!